itertools or itertools is one of the most useful modules in Python standard library. In terms of using lists, I've been working with several libraries in which I have to work with very large lists, and usually the operation such as merging different lists, combining them, and iterating through them, it's something that I have to do repeatedly, right? And so one of the things I discovered, which isn't really used as much as it should be used, is this library called, or this module called itertools, because it's crazy fast. It is basically a generator library, as you can see, is intended for iterator algebra. And you can do a lot of different stuff now. You might not notice a difference when you're merging a list of size, say 5 or 6, which is like if you are working on some DAO example. But all of these operations, like counting, cycling, and repeating stuff, is very efficient with itertools. Now, what makes it really efficient is that it is written in C. All of this is written in C and is ported over to Python. So if this is the official C Python repository, and here you see the chain function, which is basically means combining different lists. So one of the most useful ones is chain, and now this is basically used to combine multiple lists, and it's really fast when compared to just calling list.extend or running some list comprehensions. Here is an example. So I have a relatively large list. Now this doesn't really capture the real world use case, because generally we have lists of large objects such as dictionaries or list of lists, but this is just to demonstrate. Now if I time it, I'm just using list.extend, and here's the time, right? What if I use itertools.chain? You see the difference of day and night, and this difference gets more and more evident as you increase the size of these lists. So as the size grows, this difference will grow. How it is with the asymptotic notations and the growth of functions. So yeah, this is one of the libraries that you should definitely use in your code base if you think that it's going to be used by large applications, or at some point in the future you anticipate that you're going to be working with large lists.